for this look, we're gonna be doing a back bow style, which is perfect for evening looks or anything a little bit more elegant. So to start off this head wrap style, I'm gonna go ahead and fold the top 4 inches in so that we don't have a lot of excess material in the back. And that's just because I don't have a lot of hair. I'm bald, so I want the look to be a little bit more fitted to my head. But if you have hair, you know, that is okay if you have a little bit of extra material because it's gonna look cute anyway. But I'm gonna show you how it works on me.